can we use the small paper to paint?
No, you need a big one.
We have to use the big one, but we can use the small ones also. Yes, we can make a little painting like this one here that says, what does this say? What does this say? What does this say?
Ava.
Ava, and who made this painting?
Mommy.
Mommy? Oh, wow. Did you help?
No, I didn't.
No, you didn't? Why didn't you help?
I did.
You did? Yes, I think you put the V here. Did you put this here?
Yeah, and no, Mommy put that, and Mommy put this.
And which one did you put then?
The flower.
A flower. Wow.
And I do this.
And you did? Wow, it's very pretty.
And look at this flower.
Oh, really?
And this lost.
Oh, this is very pretty, Ava. Can we make one like this for Baka?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Okay. So Ava and Shasha will make one for Baka.
Yes.
Do you want to make one for Mommy too?
Yeah.
Yes.
For Dida?
And one for Dida? Okay, can I ask you a question, Ava? Please?
And one for Daddy.
And one for Daddy? Are we making any for Sab?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Je gotova priča sa Avom, ha? Jesi lijepo pričala sa Sašom? Šta si rekla Saši?
So what do we need?
I need them too.
Šta?
I need a small paper, Shumbaka.
Yes, we have small ones in here. Look, I think so. Or we're gonna get some from the computer.
Kome ćeš sad crtati sada slikicu?
Can you say hi, Aunt? Hi, Tina. Say hi, Tina.
Hi, Tina.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Not you. Hi, Aunt Tina. How are you?
I'm fine.
Look in the camera and say hi, Tina.
Hi.
And show her your bee face. And show her your monkey face. How does the gorilla go? And how does the cat go? And the dog? And who bites you?
Shasha.
Who bites you?
Shasha.
Shasha bites you.
The blue doesn't go out.
It doesn't go out?
Wait.
Maybe.
Are you going to ask Auntie Tina how's Caleb? Ask him. Where's Caleb? Can you ask her where's Caleb?
Ja.
And then...
Pun su Kalebu.
Oh.
And then...
Baka će ti pomoći, hoćeš?